Let us see one of the most popular questions, which was number 16. It's about transformation. Remember, everything in transformation was covered. So please, if you want to see more, go to playlists and see more of the transformation. So here, we are given triangle ABC with vertices was mapped onto A1 by transformation is matrix is that. Triangle then was mapped onto A2, B2, C2 by transformation is matrix is this. The time the coordinates solve that, this and a single matrix that transforms AB onto A2, B2, C2. This is a common question to all students. What we always say, we say in our solutions now here, the major thing is we always get the transformation matrix times the object. We shall always be getting the image. Now, the transformation now for part A is that our first transformation was this. So now I'm going to say, now the transformation, which is this. So now I say my -2 times now the object. The object is now, these are the vertices of the object now. So I say I write them into column form. Then there, we are just going to do matrix multiplication. What am I doing? Is that this one is a 2 by 2 and this one is a 2 by 3 matrix, so they can every multiply. So now, these are A, B, C. Now here I'll get A1, B1, and then the C1, like the question wants me to. So we know how to multiply. We say this times this, then plus, this will be 8, plus 1, which will be now 9. You first multiply this out. This times this will be 8, plus 4, that's 12. 4 plus 1, that is a 5. So we have finished to multiply using the first row. Now we come to the second row. This time this is 4 minus 2, give us a 2. 4 minus 8 minus 4, 2 minus 2 to get a 0. So there you get a bonus and a method mark. So you have there 2 marks. So now the question, now you have not answered the question. They are saying determine the coordinates. If you are there, want the coordinates, now you come and write A1. Now the coordinate is that is 9. So those are the coordinates, and so that was your part A. As simple as that, you have now your 5 marks with ease. Now part B says, find the coordinates of A2, B2, C2. Now you come still the same idea, transformation matrix times the object, I will get the image. Now, I think you can see that this is a reflection line anyway. So you can write this as 0, 1. Now, this is the transformation to give us these ones. That's why now I'm using this matrix of transformation. Now, -1, 0. So now my object, this now is going to act as my object, which is now I'll be getting my A2, B2, then the C2 in that order. Still we say, remember these are, then C1. This time this is 0. Whenever you say 0, you just smile, because if this is the first 0, it's going to multiply everything here to 0. You just get these times these ones to give you these ones. So the explanation is there by then the paste. This time this is 0, so you have -2, 4, 0. So I'm done. And I come to the next row, multiplying this times this, then plus this times this, which will be 9, 12. That will give me 5. So now I come here and write my coordinates of A2, 9. And then there I have my next 5 marks. Then the last 2 marks, we are going to a single matrix of transformation that maps ABC onto A2, B2, C2. That is very easy. Now that matrix is always, now this is our part C. That matrix M is always given by the last matrix you used to transform, then times the first matrix you used. Now our last matrix to transform was 0 times our first matrix, which was then when we simplify that multiplication, this times this plus this times this, negative 1, this times this 0 plus this times this 2, this times this plus this times this, that is 2, 1, it is 1. And that is your matrix that is going to transform ABC onto A2, B2, C2. That was the easiest question, by the way. Most people, I think they obtained 12 out of 12. That's it. That's the last number, which was from inequalities, but please don't forget to subscribe to the channel.